Okay, number 7, it says you're given this equation, prove that 3 is a superior limit. It's a nicer question because they're really telling me and to the positive root, and minus 2 is the inferior limit to the negative root. So let's go through what the steps are. It's a cubic polynomial, and I know the cubic polynomial, y-intercept at 1. I know it's going up like this and down like this over here. What are they claiming, though? That the inferior limit is minus 2, and the superior limit is going to be 3, all right? So my roots have to take place between minus 2 and 3. Let's go through the analysis, and you write down f of x. That's pretty simple to do. Oops, I mean to do that. Then, certainly what we've been doing is playing around with it, and, maybe factoring might help me out with this over here. And then, that's also factorable. And then I kind of look, for easy numbers. And so I know, again, I'm in positive territory now. So at 0, what do I know? It's positive. Let's go to 1. Let's see what happens at 1. And it looks fairly easy to do. I mean, if you plug in 1, you get 1 times minus 2 times 2 is clearly negative. And then I go to 2. And what happens at 2? Let's put 2 down. You get 2, still negative. Yeah. And then you get to 3, and what happens? Well, at 3, at 3, it's going to be positive. That's pretty simple. That was easy. And there on out, this is always going to be a positive number, so it kind of sails off. So this is done. We got that part covered. So I want to say clearly f of x is greater than 0 for x greater than 3. All right? I should say greater than or equal to 3. I'll correct that in my notes there. Hence the upper limit is 3. All right? Okay, so that part's done. Let's go to the other part and the inferior loop. So what do? It's going to be minus f of minus x. Let's see if I can do that. That's going to be x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. All right? And we're still doing the same thing. What I do, I rotated the curve, as we've done in the past, about the y-axis and x-axis. So I want to get the general shape that I'm getting. That is, it's going off in this direction, going that direction. But the negative roots are being pushed over there now to the positive side. Well, I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, before I do that, I want to point out, I'm going to look at the key and see if I got that written down for you. X cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. You know what? I think I made a mistake there. Yeah, this is a mistake. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's right there. I'm sorry. It's right there. So x cubed, 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. Sorry about that. So I'm going to do really the same type of analysis. Let me cut to the chase, though. Got this over here. Yeah, group the first 3 terms together, factor it. I'm really getting something very similar over here, right? What am I going to do over here? Well, I got to do this. And again, it's nice to stick with the positive numbers. 0, what do you get? It's definitely negative. 1, what would you get? Definitely negative. 2, what do you, that's 1. 2, what do you get? Oh, positive. All right. So let's see if that's true. 5, 2, yeah, definitely positive. And then you start to realize there on out, it just keeps going up and up and up. So what's the upper end of the root? It's going to be 2. It's right over here. But since we rotated it, what's the lower end going to be? It's going to be minus 2. All right? Let me correct this over here too. All right, I'll correct that. But we did okay. All right? We got what they expected to get. Thank you. Oh, by the way, they gave us a picture. The picture is, let's make sure the picture, 317. Let me see if I did the right picture over here. You know what? I'm probably going to have to look at this picture over here. So look at the picture. Look. I might have to correct the picture. Correct. So look at. If it needs correcting, you're not going to see the correct picture. And then I have to rethink what I stated. All right? Thank you for paying attention, though.